In this video, we will show the best step ladders for home in India 2020. At number 1, Bathla Ultra Stable 4-Step Foldable Aluminium Ladder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, PAffy Milano 5mm High Tensile Folding Ladder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Parasnath Black Heavy Folding Ladder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, CiplaPlast GECL 4M Milano Folding Ladder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Plutomax Foldabe Aluminium Ladder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Truphe Folding Step Ladders. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Casa Copenhagen 5-Step Foldable Aluminum Ladder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 8, Homebuy Aluminum Folding Step Ladder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 9, Champion Multipurpose Combination Ladder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 10, Youngman Aluminum Multipurpose Ladder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.